Seed School ya Kanyamurera ikatandika kuombekwa okwiha umwaka gw'2022 bwa nyuma ya government okuhayo biliyoni 3 na miliyoni 500 umurimo ugu na hati tugukahwaga ekiresereho kwebuza yaba beji barahumura cyo mwaka guru kwija ngo kucabire kitebekanasibwe.
Yes, the contract started the agreement was signed on ebiro mukaga byo 2022 kaguri yo kwebiro mukaga 2024 konka engineer na staff babonjiremo extension ya 4 months, but surprisingly the 4 months zawire. So we are trying to review the procurement processes and the contract agreements, payment schedules, certificate of payments.
Tumuka chinjiri tumuka for is it floor? Floor. Or drain. Yijina no cherebo. And more to that, no be akuberi nka 30% which is remaining. This one should be done within 2 months. We have completed.
Bwa nyuma yo kusyarara kwemero mahishomereri akatsikwa ka Public Accounts Committee ahabwa district ya Bushenyi kahikayishomereri omugombora ya Chamuhunga kandi kashanga ebyaraginwe mu ndagano tine kikozerwe.
Just showing the cracks. Then it has some cracks. Then is there Gamuriash? No, what did you
Site engineer, let us go on the paper. You had the primaries, which I think was to prepare and do ABCD. Site leveling works. When you see this site, sure it is not leveled. That was number 1. Site leveling. When you look at this, when you look at this level, when you look at the other level, what I want to level. On edge of site leveling. Yes, let me come.
Ati kamyango abana baza kuhumuruka kandi no bakugira ngo bahumuruka nabaza kubambashana kabo kushomeransi yemti tine kintu ekiri complete toilet ziri complete ebina hine abwo no yakubicisha ikinyene tubakacukozera iki.
Akaciko kayireko butashemererwa wa district engineer Mboni Mpachiza Barnabas okwatanisa na contractor rero bakagumana bahandike bishuba contractor akashashurwe sente nyinji kandi obwo atakozere cyango
kandi twakireba ngo tubakuza kwitinga deadline chances zo cancelinga nankanye yabo contract yabo irikoki ire hayi munonga by the way hati tukuruga hano yantu za kushabakaho asamoninga contractor hafesinga kachiko kitu details nyingi ngo yarakoreki ngo yarazuto
barohije yabe nashabaro extension kuza kumwongera konka akaharizo notification
specifically very important
ne yo ku taking wrong to deciding floor finish akahandika baruha ari kugira ngo ubona ndangwa akose terazo itotwamgaruka mutu kugira ngo terazo ere expensive tujye basi then hati bwa nyuma final wayagizira atkare niwe ati neza kujye
kankirebeka contractor akafuna esente nyingi eziyarire ni nyingi kandi turebe mu rubato tukakize na kimwe cya kabiri.
Okay.
Yes.
Habaho na no kugambe mbushikana ha mu rumogo wa hagati y'abebembeza hamwe na site engineer.
Yo contract katwarwa ekitongo cyo kweta Karisa. Karisa Uganda Limited niyo ekora nanka ekora contractage ya 3.5 billion au hati umurimo gwasya 75%.
70%.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif.